So we're live now. Okay. We're going to start similar triangles. The concept of similar triangle is the first class. Now look here. What we are going to do here is, sorry for starting the class little bit delayed. Ready, beta? Wait, I'm sharing the link. After that, we'll start the class, please. Now look here. For these questions, please kindly pay attention. Listen. When we talk about similarity, I will ask some questions from all of you to understand. Now, beta, what is the meaning of congruency? If somebody will ask you what is the meaning of congruency, then your answer should be congruency means that that type of figure. Kavya, good evening. I am just checking your attendance. So please kindly keep on saying hi to me. Okay. Now look here, beta. The meaning of congruency here is the two figures who will be sidewise, angle wise and area wise same. Understood? Means if I will be trying to differentiate the two figure, I won't be able to differentiate it. So that's the difference between congruency. Means that's exactly the meaning of congruent. Understood? So congruent means I will take two circles or two bangles of same dimension, means same radius. Then definitely their area will become, Sneha, good evening. Their area will become same. So that's the most important point there. Understood, beta? So that's the concept of congruency. Now we are going to understand another important point. So if somebody will be asking you about congruent figure and similar figure, Samila, good evening. So beta, congruent figure and similar figure. Similar is not equal. Got it? But if it is equal, it is similar. Got it? That's the biggest difference between, see, if I'm saying that two circles are similar. So if I'm drawing these two circles, I'll just draw one circle and I will draw another circle. They are exactly similar, but they are not equal. Why they are not equal, beta? Because their radius is exactly not same. But figure wise, they both are circle. Understood? So they are similar but not equal. Understood? But if a circle I am going to draw and that circle will be this same and this same radius, that means what? That means what, beta? That means if this radius is 5 and this radius is also 5, that means what, beta? Tarun, good evening, beta. Kritika, good evening. So now look here, beta. That means what? These two figures is congruent. So congruent figures are those figures whose dimension will be, yes, whose dimensions are same. See, congruent figure means what? When the radius will be same. If radius of two circles are same, their area will be same, circumference will be same. So that means what? They are congruent. They are congruent. Means area wise same. Next, what is? Good evening, beta. Good evening, motivational. So that means what? Area wise same. And next part, what is same? Radius is same. But beta, if somebody will ask you this question that are they both similar where radius is 3, you will say this is similar to this, this is similar to this. How these figures are similar, beta? The figures are similar because they are exactly circle, but their radius same means they are congruent. Understood? But beta, are congruent figures similar? Yes. But are similar figure congruent? Answer is no. The similar figures are not congruent. Did you got this point, beta? The similar figures are not congruent, but the congruent figures are always similar. Understood? So this, in some case how it is not there? Means if the two figures are congruent, by congruency means what? Congruency of any figure when we will be talking about beta, that means their length, corresponding lines and angles are always equal. Corresponding lines and angles are equal, then only they will be congruent. Na? Huh? And for checking congruency, we are having certain rule. Right hypotenuse side, side angle side, angle side. After that, angle side angle, and then side. So there are different criteria. Okay, good evening, beta. Mr. Happy, good evening. So beta, did you got this point? Did you understood this section, beta? So they will always be congruent. So that's the basic difference, beta. That's the basic difference we need to understand. Okay. So congruent figure will always be similar, but similar figure may be congruent or may not be congruent. Understood? So similar figure may be congruent and may not be congruent. That's the basic idea. Got it? Now we will go for the next one. Now look here, children. We will go for the next part. Now first, so basic first the proportionality theorem. That is the basic proportionality theorem. That is one of the basic backbone of similar triangle concept. Understood? So BPT theorem you must be knowing many times in CBSE. This question is that question that is kept. Understood? Like an advanced kept now. This question is kept for you for writing. Got it? So I'm just giving you the statement. First I'll explain the statement and then we will do the basic proportionality theorem. By default in all the tests, basic proportionality theorem is one of the important points. I am not understanding why the students are absent. They are not coming live and they are not attending the classes. So definitely I'm going to punch them. Seriously, this is very bad. Now look here, beta. Write the statement about basic proportionality theorem. Understood? So now some figures will be there. We need to understand the next important point. Like if some Maya, Ashish, Praveen, Sai, Tarun, Vishwa part 1, Vishwa part 2. Now look here, beta. Basic proportionality theorem is also known as Thales theorem. Very good, Tarun. Basic proportionality theorem is also known as Thales theorem. Understood? So what is written in this theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, write down. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, intersecting the other two sides, not bisecting, intersecting. There is a big difference between intersection and bisection. Understood? Write down. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, intersecting the other two sides, Tarun, hi. Intersecting the other two sides, okay, intersecting the other two sides, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. Then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. Got it? What is the difference between intersection and bisection? Madam, if somebody will ask you, Mahalakshmi, online you are present, type and give me the difference between intersection and bisection. What is the difference between intersection and bisection? Sophia, good evening. What is the difference between intersection and bisection? Very good. So if a line is bisecting a side into equal halves, means the side length will remain the same. But if it is going to divide the angle into two equal halves, like 60 degree will be divided 30 and 30. If a line segment is 10 centimeter, it will divide into 5 and 5. This is called about the bisector. So one line bisector is there and one angle bisector is there. Intersection means the angle may be equal or the angle may not be equal. The side may be equal, the side may not be equal. Understood? Beta, please allow me to teach. Don't do all those unwanted things. It's very bad. Okay, the children are studying, so you also please allow me to teach. So what is the basic proportionality theorem? What is the basic proportionality theorem, beta? If a line is drawn intersecting the one side of a triangle parallel to the other side, what is exactly the theorem? Right now only I said. Can you repeat? Very good. Then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, intersecting the other two sides. Understood? Intersecting the other two sides. God bless you, beta. Intersecting the other two sides, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. So now that means what? We are ready to draw a triangle, beta. So this is the triangle, and in this triangle, this is a line drawn parallel to. So let's take this as D and C is the line drawn parallel. D and C, good evening. D and C is the line drawn parallel to BC. D and C is the line drawn parallel to BC. Now, beta, what is given? DC is parallel to BC. Now, DE is parallel to BC. Then it will divide the sides in the same ratio. How it is going to be? So, given part first we will write. Because space I am going to utilize very purely. Kritika, see, first you check you are live or not, because answers are coming very late. Now look at it, given ABC is a triangle. Done? Now beta, if ABC is a triangle, then what we are going to do? And what is given? DE is parallel to BC. Then what we have to prove? To prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is what you have to prove, beta. This is, voice is breaking, beta. Is the voice breaking now? So, beta, this is what you have to solve. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. I'll explain all the concepts. So, beta, here you have written given. So, whenever you will do any geometry question, what is the sequence of writing the answer? Because students in board exam always they're doing some mistakes. So, please remember, given, to prove that, construction, and then you start proof section. Now, what is construction? Many times the students are not knowing, you cannot write construction anything. Construction is a lifeline to you. Understood? Construction is what you are assuming from your side. Understood? Construction is what you are assuming from your own side so that you can solve the question properly. Understood? So construction is your assumption. And assumption means what? It's not like that assumption you can assume anything. You can take any perpendicular line, you can draw any line, you can connect any line. Understood not? You can bisect any line. That is one part. And based on that, you can prove the other sections. Understood? So that's the beauty of construction. Here also we are going to construct. Okay? Beta, what in all we are going to construct? Here two things we are going to construct, beta. Our construction is in construction, we will say we will join this one and we will join this one. Joining BE and DC. And between construction itself, we will specify that we are drawing bisectors. This is bisectors now. Sarvana, is this bisectors? Yes? This is bisectors. What is that? What is that? Come on, say. What is that? That is perpendicular line drawn. Understood? What is that? Perpendicular line drawn. So here we will write F and G. Did you got it, beta? So we drew two perpendicular lines. Very good. Beta, we are going to join these two lines to make triangles. Beta, just when we proceed, we will be taking out triangles because beta, we have to take two triangles, one triangle from left side and one triangle from right side. For taking that, beta, we are just now doing the setup ready. Okay, Farouza, if you say your name, I'll call out your name and explain that. Okay. Now, beta, look at. Then construction part, what we are going to write, beta? So what we will write? We will write EF perpendicular to AB and DG perpendicular to what one, beta? AC. And DG perpendicular to AC. Understood? So one by one, I'll explain everything. Don't worry. Don't worry at all. So now look here. Once you have done like that, now we have to prove what? We have to prove this one. For proving this, we will start the proof section. Okay? So now we are going to start our proof. Ready? So we'll start because we need to draw some very important things. I will draw the triangle separately. I will draw the triangle separately so that you will understand it better. So I'm drawing the triangle separately so that one by one you will understand, because BPT theorems many times the students are doing mistake and every people will do it very complex. We will make it easy. But better for that concept, for this total theorem now, we need to understand two concepts. Okay. First concept is obtuse. Before starting the triangle concept, I'm first teaching you what is obtuse angled triangle. Okay. What is the meaning of obtuse angle triangle? Obtuse angle triangle means one of the angle must be greater than 90 degree. One of the angle must be greater than 90 degree. Understood, beta? So here this angle is greater than 90 degree. So beta, when I'm drawing an obtuse angle triangle, that means where is the height? The height is 100% not inside the triangle. The height is 100% outside the triangle. The height is 100% outside. Understood? So exactly the obtuse angle triangle, the height is always outside. That's the first concept. Understood? We are going to use this one. So when I will be starting that concept, that time I will tell you this is obtuse angle triangle. So in obtuse angle triangle, where is the height? Outside the triangle. Understood? Because one of the angle is greater than 90 degree. One of the angle is greater than 90 degree. Okay. Now next part, what we are going to do. The next section is about parallel lines. If two lines are parallel, this is about parallelogram concept. Okay. So if two lines are parallel, understood, the triangles drawn. So how many triangles I have drawn? Look here. How many triangles I have drawn? Two triangles. One triangle coming like this, beta. Got it? Now, another triangle is coming like this. How many triangles I have taken out in these two parallels? AB and CD. So AB is parallel to CD. Now, how many parallels are there? Two. And how many triangles are there? Two triangles. So, in this part, Anuj, hi beta. In this part, you please remember one thing, that triangles drawn on the same base. What is the base here, beta? AB is the base. So triangles drawn on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. So what will be equal there, beta? Their area will be equal. What will be equal there? Area will be equal. So these are the two basic concepts used. Understood? So this area of triangle, this, and area of triangle, this, will be equal. Understood? So what is this theorem is about, beta? What is this theorem is about? The theorem, इसके बाद का class है. After this class will be there. After this class is there. After 10th, 12th is there. Now look, beta. Did you understood this part? What is the concept here? Triangles drawn on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. That's it. Understood? So these two concepts we are going to use. These two concepts are very, very important and we are going to use it. So now we will start the proof section. Ready for the proof, children? Now in proof section, first work is we are going to take one putty triangle. This putty triangle is A, D, E. Okay. Now in this triangle, perpendicular is F. Check out, draw it. Draw it, children. Take your time. राइट नाउ कितना टाइम हो रहा है बेटा? 6:48 हो रहा है ना. 7:15 में आई स्टार्ट. 7:15 और 7:20 आई स्टार्ट. Yes, 7:20 I'll start. Did you understood, beta? So first triangle we have taken this one, and beta with this triangle we are going to take another triangle, that is D B E. So two triangles we have taken. Please understand it very carefully. How many? Yes. So how many triangles we have taken, beta? Two triangles we have taken. One triangle we have taken ADE, and another triangle we have taken, which one, beta? Another triangle we have taken is DBE. Got it? So now first we will talk about triangle ADE. In triangle ADE, perpendicular is there, na? What is the perpendicular there, beta? EF is perpendicular. So in triangle ADB, EF is perpendicular to AD. Done, na? EF is perpendicular to AB, then ultimately it will be perpendicular to AB. Got it? So that means what? The area of this bracket means off. What this bracket is telling, beta? Off. So you can write A capital also. Got it? So you'll write A capital if you will not understand. So area of triangle ADE is equal to half base into height. It will be what, beta? Half base into height. What is base, beta? AD is the base and height is EF. Done? Now, beta, what is our another triangle? Our another triangle is DEB. Our another triangle is DBE. But beta, this triangle is not another triangle. It is obtuse angle triangle. It is obtuse. Because if we will be checking that part, it will be more than 90 degree. Correct? Now, one angle will be more than. So here, what is E? This part, if you will check, that means EF is outside. What is EF? Outside. Got it? So that means obtuse angle triangle means EF will be where? Outside. So that means perpendicular is outside. Perpendicular is outside. So what will be the area, beta? So what we will write? Area of triangle DBE or BDE, whatever you will write. Area of triangle DBE. Sorry, I am not able to see the screen. I am not getting time. Perpendicular is EF and DB is the base. DB is the base and EF is the perpendicular. We will take it as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Understood? Now same triangle we will take but in other side. Same triangle we will take but in other side. Okay. So if we will divide this by this, what will come? If we will divide equation 1 by 2. So dividing equation 1 by equation 1 part, and we have taken that section. Now we are dividing equation 1 by 2, beta. Then what will happen? We will write area of triangle ADE by, sorry, off I have written, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DBE is equal to half by half dB into EF. So what it is coming? AD by dB. Understood? So similarly, this side triangle we will take. First we took which side triangle? Left side. In left side, which perpendicular we have taken? EF. And with that two triangle we have taken. That side triangle is DBE and ADE. Now we will take same big triangle, this triangle ADE, but this side perpendicular will be here DG. Got it? This side perpendicular will be DG. And beta, which side we are going to take? We will take this side, this side. First we have taken DBE now. This time we are going to take this side, DEC. DEC. Where will be the perpendicular beta? Outside DG. Now you understood the concepts, Hana? This concept is going to help you. Now beta, again, what is the area of triangle AED? What you will write? Area of triangle ADE. So directly can we write area of triangle this by this? Correct, na? Because first part we have written. So similarly, area of triangle AED is equal to half. Base is what beta? AE. Perpendicular is DG. And area of triangle, which triangle beta? Again, I am having a habit. Area of triangle, which triangle we are going? DEC. Understood not? Can we write DEC? Because DBE we have taken. So ECD we will write. ECD is equal to half EC into DG. So dividing equation 3 by 4. Dividing equation 3 by 4. So when you are dividing equation 3 by 4, what will come beta? This part we have done. We will keep it little bit shift will have. So here what answer will come beta? Area of triangle AED by area of triangle ECD is equal to half AE into DG by half EC into DG. This and this cancel, this and this cancel. So what is coming beta? AE by EC. Done? Now beta, we got this part and we got this part. Only we need to bring connectivity, because till now what is missing is connectivity. Our connectivity between AD by DB, because beta this only we have to prove now. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So first time we took upside triangle is common for both cases. Understood? One side, that side triangle, one side, this side triangle. And you got this by this. Now second concept, which is very, very understood. Huh? So second concept is very, very important. Now look here. What we are going to do here beta, we are going to write down that triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Understood? Now connectivity we are going to generate. So this is the star mark we are going to put, and this is double star mark. Okay. So what we are going to write beta? Triangles on the same base and triangles Anu, board is not clear. Now look at it. So till here, first you note down. Because the theorem is big beta, so I'm just writing little small and I'm reducing the size. Is it okay? Okay, note down. After that, last part we are going to do. Understood, Nanu? Now you check. Now it is okay. Pankaj, whatever is your name, it's not good. Specifically when you are seeing small children are reading. That's seriously not. If I might be doing any fun and you could be interfering, miss, it's good. No problem. Seriously. Yes, that's not good, Pankaj. 2, 3 times I told you, don't do this. One person came to give you everything. Wait. 2 minutes, wait. That person will take care of you. Done, beta? Now look at beta. So once this part is coming, now what theorem we are going to write? We must write that triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Got it? Triangles on the same base and between same parallels are equal in area. Triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area, beta. So that means for beta, which two triangles we are going to check? We are going to check triangle this one because our base side is this one now. What are the two triangles, beta? If you remember, color it with different color. This part is D, B. This part is what, beta? E, C. Now, which are the two triangles? Come on, say. The two triangles are this one with bonus you will be blocked and your ID will be blocked forever. Enjoy. Along with police report. Now look at this part and this triangle. Which are the two bases? D is parallel to BC already given. Which are the two triangles? DBE and ECD. These are the two triangles. So triangles on the same base and between same parallels are equal in area. Therefore, area of triangle. What triangle, beta? Area of triangle DBE is equal to area of triangle ECD. Done? Correct, na beta? Area of triangle DB, because this triangle and this triangle on the same base. What is the same base? DE. And what is the same parallels? Same parallels are DE and BC. Same parallels are DE and BC. Now beta, this part is there. Now write taking reciprocal. Now what we need to do? We'll take reciprocal. Then what it will become? 1 by area of triangle DBE is equal to 1 by area of triangle ECD. Done? Area of triangle DB, ECD. Now, beta, area of triangle DB, now we can multiply both sides. Multiplying area of triangle ADE on both sides. What is the area of triangle ADE? This side, what will be there? Check. ADE by area of triangle DBE is equal to, here it will become area of triangle AED by area of triangle ECB. Now beta, here this part already from star and double star we need to write. What is the star? AED, ADE and DB. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC using star and double star. Done. Understood? During star and double star. Thank you so much, Mansi ma'am. So during star and double star. So using star and double star. Got it? Children, if anybody will come and disturb our class, you have the right, block it. Report, you report from that side. Don't allow any nonsense people to disturb us. Did you got it, beta? So what, see, by understanding this concept, is it tough or easy? Easy, na? So first this side with this part, that triangle bit, this side. Divide, divide. What is the concept? Area of triangles on the same base and between the same parallels, sorry. Triangles on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Got it, beta? I hope you might have understood this part, beta. Ready? Shall we go for the next one, please? This is one of the massive questions, that is BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Now, based on this theorem, we are going to solve one converse of this theorem is there, but 2 marks MCQ questions are coming, beta. 2 marks MCQ questions are coming. We are going to solve 2 marks MCQ questions based on this. Okay. So we'll do one work. We'll start solving the questions. Are you ready for it? Okay. Come on, come on, come on. We'll solve it. Ready, beta? Ah, very good. Sometimes our Jyotam is also making comedy, correct? Are you ready, beta? So this is the question. Now we are going to solve some questions based on the theorem what we have learned now. Okay, ready for it? Write a question. One triangle I am giving you, children. Now come on, focus into these questions. One triangle is given to you. In this triangle, it is written K, P, note down, K, P, Q, MN, K, MN and PQ is there. Now in this part, what is given to you is, they have told that ki KPQ is given. What is given? PQ is parallel to MN. What is given? PQ is parallel to MN. This is given to you, beta. Understood? After that, what you have to do is, they told that KP by Hindi, KP by PM is equal to, they have given the ratio 4 by 13. Understood? And they have given Kn. Kn is equal to 20.4 centimeter. Got it? You have to find KQ. Understood? You have to find KQ. She is telling you to not put like this. In like button you have to press. She is telling that to you. You're understanding? She told you to put likes in the video. Did you got this point, beta? Now look here, beta. Shall we go for this part? Now look here. We already know that since in solution section how we are going to solve. We will write since PQ, jo tum start solving, why you are waiting? PQ is parallel to MN. So by BPT theorem, no need to write anything. Just write basic proportionality theorem. KP by PM is equal to KQ by QN. We can write like that. Understood? KP by PM is equal to KQ by QN, beta. Understood? KQ by QN. Otherwise, Mansi ma'am will not give material. She is very stubborn. KP by PM is equal to KQ by QN, beta, by basic proportionality theorem. Done na? But see, KP by PM, this side to direct value will become 4 by 13. But here KQ is also there. And we have to find KQ. But down it is not KN. Did you check? Down it is not KN. What it is given as? QN. Down it is written as QN. Problem. So what we will do? How to write QN? So look here. KN is total length. What is KN? Total length. KN can be written as KQ plus QN. Understood? So what will be? We'll shift this one this side. So what will be? Kn minus Kq is equal to Qn. So instead of Qn, can I write this? Understood? So you write this. Kn is equal to Kq plus Qn. So Kn minus Kq is equal to Qn. Understood? So beta, what we are going to write? Kn minus Kq. Instead of Qn we have written. That's what, na beta. If this is total length PQR, how you are writing PR? PR can be written as PQ plus QR. PR can be written as PQ plus QR. Na? So this minus this will be equal to QR. Same concept we have used. So beta, what is Kn value they have given? 20.4. So 4 by 13 is equal to KQ we have to find. And here it is coming as 20.4 minus KQ. Now beta, shift 4 into 20.4 minus KQ is equal to 13 KQ. Now solve. So it will come 4, 4, 16, 4 to 8. So it is coming this minus 4 KQ is equal to 13 KQ. So what is the final answer? This will shift this side. 4 plus 13 will become 17. So 17 KQ is equal to 81.6. So KQ is equal to 81.6 by 70. Understood? You give, ma'am. You give. No, any faculty can give. Seriously. You can do it. So what is the value coming, beta? Yes, solve it and tell me the value, please. What is the value here? 4 sevens are 7 8s are 56. Okay. So it is coming as 4.8 centimeter. Note down. It is coming as 4.8 centimeter. Absolutely correct. Super Ashweta. So answer is coming as 4.8. Absolute. Did you understood it? This one, beta? So this is the most important point. We must not forget. Okay. So this is the way. Now we are going to solve many questions related to it. This is just yes 4.8. So we are keeping it till here. Next class we will directly go for solving NCRT questions and one by one. Okay. Inverse also we will do. Inverse of BPT also we will do. Bye for now, children. Oh, yo, it is only 46 minutes. What is this? Okay. So today I'm going to, okay, bye. Next class I'll teach extra. Because it's time now. Beta.